Light is all around us. But how much do you actually know about light? Let's find out in 3, 2, 1. Like all waves, light can have many different wavelengths. The different wavelengths of light make up the electromagnetic spectrum, shown in this diagram. We can only see a small section of light in the electromagnetic spectrum. Which light waves can be seen by humans? Ultraviolet waves, visible light waves, gamma waves. Human eyes can only see visible light waves. Different wavelengths in the visible spectrum of light appear as different colors, and when all of the colors mix together, they make white light. Light from the sun is white light. If white light passes through water droplets or a prism, it can be separated into a spectrum of colors, often called a rainbow. The colors of light in a rainbow are always arranged from longest to shortest wavelength. Red light has the longest wavelength, followed by orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet light. Even though these are the 7 most recognizable colors, rainbows actually contain all of the shades in between these colors too. Ultraviolet waves, or UV waves, have shorter wavelengths than visible light waves. Humans can't see UV light, but some other animals can. Which animals can see ultraviolet light waves? Reindeer, bees, geckos. Many animals can see light outside of the visible light range. Seeing UV light can help animals find food, choose healthy mates, or stay away from predators. Reindeer use UV light to help them see some of their predators, including wolves. In visible light, a white wolf walking on white snow can be hard to see. But in UV light, the wolf looks very different from the snow. This image shows what a wolf might look like to a reindeer. There are many other wavelengths of light that cannot be seen by humans, but we still use these wavelengths of light in our daily lives. For example, X-rays can be used to make images of people's bodies. Which image below was taken using X-rays? A radiograph is an image of a person's body that is made using X-rays. In a radiograph, bone appears lighter in color, so they're often used to look for bone injuries. A radiograph does not show details of softer tissue such as the brain, but we can use radio waves and magnetic fields to make detailed images of the brain. This is called magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI. Radio waves are also light waves on the electromagnetic spectrum. Radio waves have the longest wavelengths. It's easier for waves with longer wavelengths to move around large objects. So, radio waves can travel farther than waves with shorter wavelengths. Which of the following use radio waves to communicate over long distances? Landline telephone, walkie-talkie, tablet computer. There are many wavelengths of radio waves. Some radio waves have wavelengths that are shorter than a millimeter. Other radio waves can have wavelengths that are 100 kilometers long. We use these different types of radio waves for many purposes, including AM and FM radio, Wi-Fi, cell phones, radar, and more. This picture shows a radar screen in the wheelhouse of a ship. Radar uses radio waves to show the location of other nearby ships. To continue answering questions and learning more about science, visit IXL.com/science.